Now, whether the body is charged or not, that we will check by using a device called gold leaf electroscope. By using gold leaf electroscope, whether body is charged or not, we will come to know. But which kind of charge we cannot decide using this device. A detailed information or how the gold leaf electroscope constructs, you please see in the textbook. And the next discussion is conductors and insulators. Conductors means which flows the charge. Conductor means the substance which allows the flow of charge, that is called conductors. And insulators, insulator means substance which do not allow flow of the charge, that substances we call it as insulators. Once again, conductors means conductors which allows flow of charge, insulators which do not allow the flow of charge. And how the body become charged? How do we make the body charged? For this, we have some methods. First one already we discussed. First one is rubbing a selective material like glass rod, silk, cat fur with plastic rod. During this material, by rubbing, both will become charged. This is one method. And second important method is induction method. And the third one is conduction. But we do concentrate on induction. Now, induction method. Now, first take two identical bodies, sphere bodies, fixed like this on an insulating stand. Okay, these are insulating stand. These are the conductors, spherical conductor, identical. Now we are going to this neutral spheres charge. We are charging these two spheres, or we are doing electrification. Charging the body or electrification, both are same. Which method? Using induction method. Clear? The first method, in this process, first we need to keep a charged object here. Like before already I mentioned, rubbing. Rub the glass rod with the silk, and this glass rod become positively charged. And already I mentioned, unlike charges attracts, so this positively charged rod attracts the negative charge here, and remaining positive charges goes this side, and this positive again attract negative charge in the sphere, and here it will become, and this side positive charge will accumulate. According to which property? Like charges repel, unlike charges attract. This glass rod is positive by convention. This positively charged glass rod attract negative charges, and all negative charges come to this side, and all positive charge goes other edge. And in the next sphere, this positively charged attract negative and positive, and these two are in touch. Then finally next, what will happen? Start. So these are in touch. Then what happened? All negative charges comes this side. All positive charges comes this side, because this already I mentioned conductors which allows the flow of charge. Now in these two spheres, first sphere this edge negative charges accumulate, and second sphere other edge positive charges accumulate here. due to attractive force. Now in the presence of this rod, we need to separate these two spheres. Now what happened? All positive charge accumulate here and all negative charges accumulate here and all positive charge accumulate here. Now there is no separation. Now this body, which charge is there on this body? Total negative charges. Of course positive charge is also there, but negative charge will dominate. Here positive charges will dominate. Positive charge means deficiency of negative charges. Clear? And then next, remove this glass rod. After remove, then what happened? These two spheres will become charged, and negative charge will spread uniformly on this sphere, and positively charged will spread uniformly on this sphere. So without touching, we made neutral bodies as charged bodies. So this we call it as charging by induction or electrification by induction method.
Stop.